This we have 2x2 for the pennies. Sorry for the silly noise. We are in Nissan now. So we are coming to start the roofing. The Nissan. So this is the wood, and then we have a big 3 bedrooms here. So we are coming to start putting the wood on top. So this is a 3 bedroom, but the roofing is a secret roof. So we just came, so we are about to start. So we'll give you update once the work is going on. We'll give you an update. Okay.
So welcome back to the channel once again, and my name is Gigo, and that was info for you who got this contract in some way to do the hidden roof wood trusses, and that is what he was explaining. Ifo has his own team, in the production group. So we're gonna see how he start the work and the finishing of it. Like I said, it's always about showing work on this channel. I can tell you what we are doing, but if I don't show you what we are doing, how do you see, the finishing and the execution of the work that we're doing? So if you do like what you see, kindly please do like the video and stay tuned to the end of today's episode to see the finishing part.
We set one side finish. So this is the slope. So this is our slope. And then now we are putting up our beams. The one that will carry the rafters before the purlin will come up. So now we are finding the waste and means for the beams. Because here is too long, or here too long, so we have to double the beams like 3 before we will get what we wanted. So this is another beam too. So the room all big, wide. So we need more beams. Without that, after the putting everything, before you see now, then you see that the building is starting to calm down. Yeah. Slope now. From the top go down. So this is where we reach so far. So now we get the beam saw finish. I left the small work plate to put there. We complete it. So this be the area. We are in the sound. You can see the mountain too. So now we just knock the rafters. So we put it on the top. We put it on the top. So you just light on the wall. So now this side, we start the knock from here. So this is our rope that we use to take the level. The level go down. So now we are still putting the rafters. And after the rafters, before the purlin will come. This is the Google production group that is working here. We are working at Nissan Road. We even start, we live in Sound. We lived in Sound small.
So that's a little history about A4. Yeah, so I hope by now you could see, the gradual process, and step by step we are making progress and we are getting to the finishing part. I would like to mention that we didn't start with this project, we just got a contract. Like I said, we got a contract to just do the carpentry work for the roofing. That's the wood trusses. That's what we are here to do. And as I always say in my production group, you can use any artisans and you deal with him directly. That's why I put his number there. You get in touch with him and then you deal with him. These are people that I trust, and I know if anything they will always get back to me. So please go to my playlist and you see all the artisans we have on this channel. And please take some time, to look at some of their videos. If you see anything you don't understand or something you want an explanation, I believe they can do that for you. If you are satisfied with them, then you can go ahead and give them your design and what you want to do, and I believe they will do a massive job for you. Like I always say, if you get in touch with them and in 2 weeks you don't hear from them, you can get in touch with me, and then I will, find out why they are not responding, or if they are busy, I will just let you know. But I believe these guys, they are amazing so far. The client that they've worked for, they always come back, and thank me. So I'm very happy, and thankful and grateful to have such people like this in my life, hearing what some people go through with their building journey, not able to find the right people. And thanks to God, I got in touch with all these people. That's why I want to share them to the world. So anybody who needs help with anything about construction, if you go to my playlist, those that I have worked that I know they are good, I've created their playlist there. You can just get in touch with them and you deal with them directly. For example, this is someone who has built his own house and he just need our assistance just with the roofing, and here we are, to help. So you don't necessarily have to use all of our team for your projects, just the ones that you have difficult with. We are here to be like a support or additional assistant, for your projects. You can keep your foreman, you can keep your mason, your carpenter, your steel bender, but just the part that you are having challenges, we are here, you know, to help. And also, if you need tips and stuff, we are also here to help. That is, what this channel is all about. So please don't forget to like the video, subscribe. You never know, we might post an artisan that you may need in the future. That's why it's important to subscribe to the channel.
This is one bedroom. This is the bedroom. And then the washroom. There's also another washroom before this bedroom too. And then this bedroom. There's also another bedroom. So the whole place is 3 bedroom. But the rooms are very very big. The rooms are very very big.
So that was a little tour for you, and you can see from the block work that this project has gone through a process. It's been a while. You can see that the owner is taking his time to build step by step, and that is what construction is all about. If you have the money, you can just go straight forward. But if you really desire to build a house and it's a struggle, you just take your time and build step by step. Don't settle for any low cost structure, or because you don't have the money now, so you want to cut corners. Just do the right thing get a right team, get an advice and build your dream house. Build what you want to build, but just take the time to build it step by step. Just make sure that before you take a long break, the structure of the building is safe, is secure. You put your iron rods, your pillars in there, you cast the block so that it holds for the next 2 or 3 years. When you have the money, you come back, and that is what we share here on the channel. And I also practice the same thing. If I have the money, you see my project flying, I'll do the most. But then if the money is not there, I take a pause and I relax till I have something, and then I continue with the project. Don't let anybody put pressure on you. Let's take our time and build our dream house.
Here be the hall. This is the hall, so the garage. Big one. Not easy at all. So yeah, finish this direction. So yeah, this be the Gigo production. And we do the floor in the roofing all finish. So now we tag the ceiling on this. So the squad is my boss is on the top. Not easy, as you can see there, no be easy. No be easy, it be like some of the nails are come out, so they are bending the nails back to the wood. We have done the top all finish. Everything make all right. So as we can see, this is the top. This is the top. So we get the slope, we get it gentle slope. We get it gentle slope. So this be my bosses. This be the squad. We are in Isaom road. So this is where we can reach so far. Now we finish everything. We are about to take our bag, our goods, then we return back home. So now we are checking everything before we left. Not that we will leave the site before they call us that, oh, we don't do this, we don't do this. No, we didn't work like that. So after that we finish everything. After the finishing of everything, we recheck what we have done. Is it okay? Because where we from now is far. So we are doing check. We are cross checking again before we move. So this is our ceiling nuggies for inside, or the ceiling nuggies for inside. So we are rechecking everything before we move go. So that be the checkup people. Fuma anyway. Okay. So this be the area. They have mountain here too. Not easy. Since we start this work, the rain that disturb us for here not be easy. Doesn't too. Doesn't. There is no place if the rain is coming to hide. So we have to run and go and hide in our small car that we brought. Not easy. To be a man is not easy. So this is an Isawam side. This is an Isawam side.
So you've seen it all for yourself from start to finish, and after the work we check, we cross check, and then we double check. And that is what the guys are doing at the moment. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.